Hi, my name's Cody, and welcome aboard the Yankee Clipper. I'm going to take you around and show you what kind of things we got going on and what kind of projects we're doing. And this boat is going to be used for Death's Door boat tours in Gills Rock this summer. So back here is where passengers are going to board the boat, as you can see. There's plenty of seating on board. The boat is certified for 75 passengers. Plenty of room to walk around the boat. A nice walk around bow area up here, which we can take you through. So once we're underway, passengers will be able to move around freely and find a nice spot. There's a nice bench up here. So up top, you can see we have bench seating up here. There's a lot of room up here. I think this is probably going to be the most desirable place to be on the boat, but it depends on weather, wind, and sun, and temperature, and all that good stuff. But we're going to have live music on the boat at night for our sunset cruises. So we're going to have a musician up top here for the nice days, and then they'll have the ability to play downstairs as well if it's a little cooler. So this is what's called, well, I guess like the pilot house on this boat because it's all enclosed. Captain operates from in here. You're gonna have a nice little spot to hang out. As we go down here, there's some more interior seating for the cooler days, especially in the fall and early season, where people, if they want to come in and warm up a little bit. We have 3 regular tours we're gonna be doing this season. We have a tour at noon, 3 o'clock, and then our 7 o'clock sunset live music cruise. Our afternoon tours are narrated. We'll take you around Plum Island, Pilot Island, talk about the lighthouses, talk about Death's Door, talk about how Door County got its name. We will also talk about Washington Island and Detroit Island on our way. And then we have another tour in the afternoon that goes south towards Ellison Bay Bluff. We'll go through Garrett Bay, talk about the Fleetwing shipwreck, and you'll get a really good look at the Niagara escarpment along the way. So if you're looking for some excellent ways to get out on the water, be sure to take one of our tours so you can experience Door County by water.